Fluguna Bjarni vinstri beigaleið 4, vindur 210 gráður 3 hnotar, braut 3 heimilsflugtak.
Vinstri beigaleið 4, 3 heimilsflugtak, Fluguna Bjarni.
Allir 32, ekkoila.
Ekkoila 32.
Helios 40, hover taxi by Old Control Tower and hold there.
Old Control Tower, Helios 40. Golf Uniform Sierra Summit.
Golf Uniform Sierra, number 2, behind Sky on right base.
Number 2, local traffic, Golf Uniform Sierra.
Helios 40, behind the Jetstream, line up runway 01.
01, behind Jetstream, Helios 40.
Helios 40, wind 200 degrees, 5 knots, runway 01, clear for takeoff, right turn, report 6 miles.
Clear takeoff, 01, right turn, report 6, Helios 40.
Það ekki vinstri beigaleið 3, Fluguna Bjarni.
Bjarni og vinstri leið 4.
Fabra.
Jónas Una Gunnar, braut 3 heimilsnertilending. Heimilsnertilending, braut 3 Jónas Una Gunnar. Fluguna Alfred, nummer 3 eftir Skyhawk Bay og vinstri særleik.
3 Skyhawk Bay og vinstri særleik.
Fluguna Bjarni, að törum fyrir á móti.
Sé ekki umferð.
Fluguna Bjarni, þín umferð er við Vassenda núna.
Held áfram að leita.
Flutu til Lárus, að törum fyrir á móti. Leitum með trafík fyrir til Lárus. Gunnarinn Sigur, braut 3 heimilsnertilending.
Heimilsnertilending, Gunnarinn Sigur. Fluguna Bjarni, sér trafík.
Fluguna Bjarni, takk. Reykjavik, yeah, this is helicopter Oscar Yankee Hotel Golf Uniform.
Jackson Control Tower, say again. Yankee Hotel Golf Uniform, did you call tower?
AFM Golf Uniform, we are approximately 9 nautical miles southeast of your control zone and we are inbound for landing.
Report 6 miles for runway 31, QNet 1014.
1014, 6 miles for runway, Golf Uniform.
Alpha runway 31, clear to Chico. Call Alpha, clear to Chico 31. Tango Lima, you're number 2, almost number 1 for runway 31. You can break off and join the final.
Almost number 1 for 31 and we'll join the final in a minute, Tango Lima.
You can take a call, you'll be number 2 for runway 31 behind the traffic by Vivista. Gunnar náður þessu, nummer 2 ætti trafík sem já, ætti að vera núna vinstri þvelleg fyrir 3, nýlega komið fram með Vífustöðum.
Nummer 2 að leita þessu trafík, Jónas Una Gunnar.
Ska Yankee Hotel Golf Uniform, check for traffic outbound route 4 at 1500.
Looking for traffic at 50, Golf Uniform.
Call Bravo, look out for helicopter approaching you from the southeast, will be crossing your flight path at 1500.
Looking for traffic, Foster Golf Bravo.
Ilias 40, out in motion.
Ilias 40, roger. Tango Lima, runway, continue approach number 1.
Continue approach number 1, Foxtrot Lima. And is there still full in passengers?
Negative, full in touch and goes at the moment.
Roger that, Foxtrot Lima.
Tango Lima, runway 31, you're clear to land.
Clear to land 31, Foxtrot Lima.
Golf Uniform 6 miles.
Downwind.
Two aircrafts calling at the same time, Tango Lima, runway 31, you're clear to go, and Juliet Echo Golf, number 2 behind the traffic on final, runway 31. Golf Uniform Sierra, you're on to number 3 now, behind the traffic, still on downwind, will be turning left base leg shortly.
Number 3, Golf Uniform Sierra.
Golf Uniform 6 miles.
Yankee Hotel, Golf Alpha Roger, proceed for 4 miles final for runway 01.
4 miles for 01 Golf Uniform.
Actually, due to traffic, are you able runway 19er, wind 3205?
We can do 19er Golf Uniform.
Okay, maintain 1,500 feet at the minimum and report Laugarnes for runway 19er.
Laugarnes 1005 Golf Uniform.
Golf Alpha Roger number 4 behind the Skyhawk will be turning left base leg. Actually, yeah, he's turning left base leg now.
Behind Skyhawk, turning left base leg. 4, Foxtrot Alpha.
Þetta verður lokalending fyrir Jónasson og Gunnar.
Gunnar Roger nummer 1, break, Pétur Lárus, ert þú í skil 1 eða skil 7?
Skil 7, Pétur Lárus.
Ég maður hægri Ekko yfir 1.9 og býða við 3 til að byrja með.
Ekko yfir 1.9 og býða við 3.